Team Kejriwal's Kumar Vishwas, who's going to take on Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, wanted to respond to Sanjay Jha's response to my question on why there's a mutual admiration society between Anna Hazare and Rahul Gandhi, which is, by the way, a completely new phenomenon. Yes, Kumar.
मैं तो संजय झा जी को बधाई दूंगा कि एक वाक्य में 5 बार राहुल गांधी जी बोलकर उन्होंने एक सच्चे कांग्रेसी होने का परिचय दिया है। मैं केवल ये कहना चाहता हूं कि इस देश में 80-90% लोग जो करप्शन से पीड़ित हैं, उनकी तो ये हिम्मत ही नहीं होती है कि वो कहीं शिकायत कर सकें। ऐसे में फ्लॉलेस जो शब्द है, जिसका शुद्ध हिंदी अनुवाद तुच्छ होता है, तुच्छ का मतलब एक सामान्य आरोप भी। इस देश में एक छोटे से डाक टिकट के ऊपर भी नेहरू जी की मिनिस्ट्री में जांच हो गई थी और उस अधिकारी की नौकरी चली गई थी कि उसने रसीदी टिकट का गलत इस्तेमाल क्यों कर लिया। तो कोई भी आदमी 1 लाख रुपए के लिए डरेगा। दूसरा, 48 साल की प्रतीक्षा के बाद अगर हमें यह कहा जा रहा है कि 40% लोकपाल मान लीजिए, इससे 40% रुक जाएगा, तो मुझे लगता है कि यह सब उन लोगों के लिए आज बहुत बुरा दिन है, बहुत दुख का दिन है, पर्सनली मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए, जो सब कुछ छोड़कर इस आंदोलन में लग गए थे कि एक लोकपाल आएगा। फिर भी हम अन्ना हजारे जी का स्वागत करते हैं, धन्यवाद करते हैं। इस बिल के लेट आने से केवल एक ही आदमी को दुख है। मुझे लगता है कलमाडी जी आज बहुत चिंतित होंगे कि अगर ये पहले आ जाता तो जो तीर्थाटन वो करके आए हैं उससे भी उनको जहमत मिल जाती, वो फंस जाते। बाकी मायावती जी प्रसन्न है, लालू यादव प्रसन्न है, राहुल जी प्रसन्न है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी बहुत प्रसन्न है।
One second. कौन क्या प्रसन्न है is not the issue. The one, now let's go to point number 2, okay?
देखिए कुमार जी, हमारे जहां तक हमने जो इसमें ऑब्जेक्शंस अपने पास लिए, हमने सारे पॉइंट्स लिए, उसमें से पॉइंट जो मेजर है हमारे एक्सेप्ट हुए हैं। वी वांट दैट यू हैव अ लोकपाल बिल, आफ्टर ऑल यू मस्ट हैव सम क्रेडिबिलिटी इन सम इंस्टीट्यूशन। आप चाहते हैं यू हैव अ परफेक्ट सिचुएशन, यू वांट वेयर एवरी करप्शन मस्ट बी रिमूव्ड बाय द ड्रॉप ऑफ अ हैट।
Yes.
दिस इज अ डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस।
Why not?
A bill being passed, allow it to be passed with some good grace. You don't want your political agenda
No, but why
to
not?
stay alive, and therefore you want
No,
some additional
No, it was not my political agenda. It was country's agenda for last 2 years.
If they are filing a genuine complaint, they will. The country's agenda, only you will decide, or the people of this country will also have some chance to decide. The point
अर्ना, ये बहुत ही सुखद दिन है कि पिंकी वही भाषा बोल रही है जो 2 साल पहले कांग्रेस बोलती थी कि माईवे या हाईवे, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा।
जी,
One sec. Pinky Anand and Kumar Vishwas.
आप यही कांग्रेस और बीजेपी
can I expose the contradiction?
आप ये बताइए, अगर लोकपाल बिल आपका करप्शन हटाता है, then what happens?
नहीं हटाएगा, ये नहीं हटाएगा, ये भ्रष्टाचारियों को बचाएगा। लोग शिकायत करने में डरेंगे कि 1 लाख रुपए हमारे पर जुर्माना लग जाएगा।
Arnab, can I expose the contradiction
No,
in
आप चाहते
Vishwas's
कोई कानून
views,
नहीं आए
please?
till central election?
What do you?
Arnab,
What? May I ask you? No, watch it.
Pinky, just give me a minute.
To Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha, I have just one question.
It's okay.
What do you think about? What does the Congress party think today about Anna Hazare?
Think about whom?
Mr. Anna
Total
Hazare.
somersault.
What do you think? What would you like to say something about Mr. Anna Hazare tonight? What do you feel about what he done, him as a person?
I'll answer that, but just to put that discussion in perspective.
No. I want
let me tell you
a
how
clear
the
answer
Aam
to that
Aadmi
question.
Party is misleading the nation. No, I need to. That is a critical point. Let me tell you who will decide the frivolous complaint, the Lokpal. So by saying that the
Is it just
by
use and throw?
saying that
Is
the
it just
complaint
use
which
and
is
throw,
frivolous.
Sanjay?
1 minute.
You
let
wanted
me finish,
Anna Hazare
Arnab.
to build a crescendo to write a thank you note to Rahul Gandhi. And tonight, when I ask you what do you think about Anna Hazare,
Arnab, you're not letting me.
What
Can we have a discussion where we nail
what
the
do you
issue
think
that
about
you have
Anna Hazare
raised?
and his contribution
I'm
to the
answering that
Lokpal
question.
bill?
Give me a minute. I think that's an important point that you raised.
In the order
Aam
of
Aadmi
precedence,
Party
no, I'm
says
raising
that the frivolous complaint is unfair.
What's it, Sanjay?
You're not letting me finish, Arnab. I think that's a critical point. I need to finish it.
I'll take a minute, Sanjay.
I think you are not
Sanjay, we
being
need
fair
to
to your
nail this
viewers,
one.
Arnab.
We need to nail
I think
this
your
one.
viewers need to know the truth.
No, we need to nail this
I will
one.
answer your question. Just give me 30
No,
seconds.
I just want, I'll take, you time me
Okay,
15
go ahead.
seconds.
You first. I will answer that
Yeah,
later.
sorry.
Now,
I'll take
just 2 sentences.
Okay.
15 seconds, I have a question.
I want.
I
No,
want,
don't know. I think
who
there's
in your
somebody else
view,
interrupting, but,
who in your view,
all I want to say is
who in your
that
view,
we
who
do
in your view,
believe
Sanjay, simple
that
question.
Mr. Anna
देखिए ऐसा
Hazare
है,
has demonstrated
देखिए संजय जी,
flexibility.
Sanjay, I
He's
don't ask.
demonstrated flexibility and understanding.
Why
that
are you
the
heckling
Lokpal
me?
bill, which has been passed
Sanjay,
in the Rajya Sabha,
you
is a
are trying
pertinent
to-
bill, is an important
you're making
bill,
a
it's a
mistake.
landmark bill, it's a
Sanjay,
practicable
please
bill,
refer
it's a
Rahul
workable
Gandhi's name. You
bill,
haven't taken
and it has
this
got
for a
support
long
from
time.
political parties.
Now Sanjay, 1 second, please. Sanjay?
And let me answer your question.
No, you don't even know what my question is. How can you answer it?
You should allow me to finish.
No, 1 minute,
that point.
please. Let
In
me
the
answer.
Aam Aadmi
Baap re,
Party,
Sanjay,
when it
you are not
says
even
that
letting
the
me ask my
complaint is
question.
frivolous, that means they are
Aam Aadmi
mocking the
Party.
institution of the
You are
Lokpal.
getting so
Because it is the
scared, Sanjay.
Lokpal who's going to decide whether it's frivolous or
Sanjay,
not. So that's a
Sanjay, you
contradiction
have,
in terms.
Sanjay, you have
Now
just.
you can go ahead. I
San-
wanted to make
Sanjay,
this
1 minute.
Arnab.
1 minute, mauka dijiye, 1 second. Sanjay, you have just one obsession now. Just one obsession. Aam Aadmi Party, Aam Aadmi Party, you go on and on about the Aam Aadmi Party. I am only saying this to you.
Well, let me tell you, they are the only party which is making a mockery of a bill which has been passed in the Raj Sabha. They are the only party shouting.
Sunita is coming. Sunita.
The bill and ridicule the mandate of the House.
Just 2 sentences. Just, Jha, please. Just 2 sentences. For this Congress party, as a political party, this Aam Aadmi Party is giving sleepless night, and outside Anna ji is giving sleepless night. So they are confused.
Okay.
Whatever Anna ji has done, that was his best he has done, and we are very happy that Anna ji's fast, he's breaking his fast tomorrow.
Sunita ji, I have one very simple question. You'll also like my question. Just listen to me, please. And my question is to only a gentleman called Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha, who in your view has played a greater role in getting this Lokpal bill passed? In whatever form, good, bad, ugly, we can discuss it later. Anna Hazare or Rahul Gandhi?
Great question.
I'll answer your question. It's very easy. I can tell you, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, you saw him address a press conference. He talked about why it was the need of the hour to get the bill through. Mr. Anna Hazare was protesting by 1 minute. Mr. Anna Hazare was protesting about it as well. He
asked such a simple question.
Through. But most important of all, I think it was a collective will of the government to get the bill through in Parliament. So I can tell you, it would be unfair to give credit here, there and everywhere. Mr. Rahul Gandhi gave it a trigger. Mr. Hazare's stance on the bill has been long known, but it's a government which needs to be given credit for putting the bill through in the Raj Sabha.
Sunita, you heard that. I didn't say it. I asked a simple question. Sunita, wasn't that a simple question? It's a very simple question.
Very simple question. From where Rahul Gandhi came up, just like paratrooper? You give a tool in the hands of Sanjay Jha to say who is the better. You think there will be any other choice but for him to say Rahul Gandhi?
No, I'm saying tonight. No, 1 second. Pinky, Anand.
Don't fall into Arnab's trap. You're falling into Arnab's trap. He's making you take a position you don't have to.
It's a trap. You call my questions a trap. I said insult to call my questions a trap.
It's everyone. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Anna Hazare and the cabinet, and here I must tell you, even the parties concerned like the BJP have supported the bill. So I think every political party that has supported the bill needs to be congratulated for the effort.
I'll tell you this.
I will make a dispassionate statement.
There are parties and only Rahul Gandhi
they become politically
he has done nothing for this bill. Let me tell you very frankly.
I'll tell you one thing.
Parties have done. Parties, okay. BJP also supported. Congress also.
But I don't know why you're not telling the viewers that the Lokpal bill was in our manifesto.
Why are you all fighting?
Lokpal bill is in the manifesto of the Congress party.
1 second.
No, I hope the people know that it was a manifesto of the Congress party. And by the way, point number 2, we were the first.
What is going on here on the news?
We were the